Welcome to H2K Infosys. H2K Infosys is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to Cloud Test Lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
It was a text box, we will have like a set for method also in that one.
Yeah.
If we map it that when we create it like we created it as a button. Let's say we created it as a text box, then it will have like a set method.
Yeah, I think so. Basically, like here you have to do this. Just create a new virtual object, and then you're going to select here from this list whether you want to create a list box. Then you can select how many rows you want in that list box.
Got it.
So that you can add all your items to that list box. So that is going to select virtual list item.
Can we do this like right now? We just because we were recording and we were doing that way. Can we do this like when we are doing descriptive programming, like we are not creating object repository?
Well, first you have to create an object. Then once you create an object, then see all through descriptive programming. You can use the descriptive program once you create virtual objects.
Okay.
You have to have an object, right? The properties, now to use it in descriptive programming.
Okay.
So once you create this object, you see, then that has its properties. But I think it's okay. If I understand your question, I don't think it's possible through descriptive programming.
No, my question is now we have object repository and this one is added to the like object repository. That's why we are not using object repository at all. We are just writing a script like the way you showed us.
Then
the combination like property values.
Just you have to spy it and then see what are all the properties that you get for this button without creating a full object. And then see is there any unique way that you can use that object when you describe. Yeah, that's the reason like why we go with the mixed approach, like object repositories and also the descriptive programming.
So Sandy, then we start off with an object repository and add this object to the repository, and then go to the virtual.
No, you need not add it. So once you create virtual object, then it gets added automatically to your repository.
That's what if you are not recording, if you are just writing, if you are creating the OR for a particular application. And so we add generally these objects and then use a virtual object manager. Okay.
Once you create virtual object, then that also gets added to your repository. Then say whenever you do the scripting from the repository, it also gets all those button names. Suppose if you have say 6 virtual objects, then it's going to list out all those objects. Like whenever you do this, right? Say dot virtual button, then it's going to give that. Then you can do this. Once you get all those objects to your repository, then you can do, and then okay, I want to click on that, so it's going to give you all the methods.
So my question is, do we have to add this object to an OR first and then do the virtual objects? Or? Okay.
That's what I'm saying. Once you create an object, it gets added to the repository. You need not add it.
Oh, okay.
It get added to shared or local?
It gets added to the local.
Then we have to export that local to shared.
Yeah, then you're going to export that to the shared object repository.
Got it.
Okay, guys, so that's all for today. Tomorrow, just we're going to look at some of these features on UFT, Unified Functional Testing. That is a new branded name from HP for QTP. So we talk some of the features, insight recording, and then the page checkpoints, and the web services testing, and also the PDF checks. Okay, that is how we are going to check dynamic contents of the files. So we can do that, PDF checks and all those things. The are the features we're going to discuss tomorrow, and as I mentioned, tomorrow is the last session, and then I'm open for any question and answers from you guys.
Will you be able to show us that web service testing also tomorrow? Or?
Yeah, that's what I mentioned. I'm going to cover the web services.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to look at that web services and new tool, UFT. Because the kind of enhancements they did, they bring the unit tests also into QTP. Before they have this the service tester, so they brought that functionality also into QTP, and they match these two tools and they call it as real UFT, Unified Functional Testing. So that's where we're going to discuss about that web services part, how you can do that. And also they added the checkpoint like PDF check. You can say dynamic content check. The file, sometimes like you will get the PDF files. So how to check those content? Are there any changes to the content? And also we discussed about the page checkpoints. Insight recording, how you can do this image-based recording. Some other applications, particularly this ribbon interface, where you come across the ribbon interface. If you're using the latest versions, right? So if you look at the Windows Explorer or Windows 2000 Microsoft Office, so ribbon interface is the new technology that gives nice GUI part. So if your application also use that kind of interface, then how you can handle that scenario. So insight recording is one of those options. So you can recording that, because normal recording don't work to handle that ribbon interface. That part I'm going to show you. Just these are some of the case studies I can explain. All right. Then we can conclude the session. All right. So that's all from today. Any questions? Okay, guys. So if you don't have any questions, that's all from my side. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye. Have a good day.
Mm-hmm.
But if you have to record it first to do it that way, no, that is not. But anyway, yeah, we need some coffee. Let's coffee there. So.
So many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website H2Kinfosys.com. On our website H2Kinfosys.com, you will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side. Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.